Hey, my wonderful natural hair dynamics family. This is Candy, and I'm here with another video. Today, we're using Trendy Tresses. This is their river curls. I don't believe I've ever done a video online showing you guys this brand, but I have used it in the past. So I figured I would just come on and show you guys a little bit about the hair in case you have not yet seen or used it before. Now this hair is, as you can see, 20 inches in length, and I did use only maybe 2.5 packs for this hair. Guys, unbelievable. The hair naturally swells, and so a little goes a long way. So I braided her hair back and just did a regular braid pattern. You can see the difference between the hair straight out of the pack and the hair once it's separated. It's like night and day. When I initially saw how shiny the hair was straight out of the pack, I was like, this doesn't look like it's a good quality at all. But once I separated it, baby, the hair looks more like a natural hair texture. I would say it would look something like if somebody had super duper long hair, blow dried it, and then did some rod sets on their hair. Yeah, that's the texture it's giving me. But it separates super easily. As you can see, I'm running my fingers through the hair from the top to the bottom and then separating it. There's no knotting. It's not snagging. It's not tangling at all, and so I was very happy about that. But yeah, look at the difference with the texture once you separate the hair. So if you did want that overly big afro look or afro curly look, you could use maybe 4 packs and get that huge dramatic, just this diva look if you wanted to go for that look. All right, so I'm going to continue with the install. Yes. And as I said before, you just attach the hair and knot it like 3 times. The hair does not slip once you knot it. And that's another thing. When I saw the hair looked so shiny, I was like, is this hair going to slip? But it definitely did not slip. It really holds nicely. And you don't need to knot it 4 and 5 times. 2 to 3 times and it's a breeze. Now I went ahead and already did the knotless or the invisible method on one side, and I'm gonna just go ahead now and do the same on this side of the part. She's doing a center part for today's look, so instead of bringing 2 pieces of the hair through the loop, I'm only bringing 1 piece, pulling it. And I showed you guys this technique just recently on another video. I will link that video down below if you wanted to see that knotless method. But I'm really just showcasing the hair for you guys so that you guys can get options. Sometimes we get into a particular brand or a particular curl pattern or a particular style, and we are pretty much stuck with that one style and not willing to try because we're not really sure. So this is why I'm showcasing another option, just in case this is a look that you guys go for. All right, showing you again. Attach the hair, pull it underneath the braid, pull only 1 piece of the hair through the loop, then you tie the loop like 2 times and tighten it, and then you're good to go. All right, so this is how the hair is looking pre me taming it, pre wetting it down, pre moussing it down. And yeah, she was kind of apprehensive about the hair because she doesn't like overly full or the big dramatic look. She wanted a more tame, defined look. So I had to go in and just kind of activate the curls a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I'm just sectioning the hair off into 2 sections so it's easier for me to work with it. So for the back portion of it, I'm gonna just work on that portion first, and then once I'm done with the back, then I will do the front. So this is my trusty spray bottle, guys. I featured this spray bottle in my last video if you saw it, but this spray bottle is like magic, no lie. You spray it, release it, and it's still spraying even when your finger have released from that the nozzle. But yeah, I am just scrunching the hair. I'm using the scrunching method to just absorb the water into the hair, and this method will prevent the hair from getting frizzy or from looking messy, and it helps to maintain the integrity of the curls and to activate the curls. And I think I forgot to tell you the color of the hair. It's T1B33. So that's the color. And I think I did tell you already that it's 20 inches in length. All right. So now I am pretty much done with the back. And I'm going to just add some mousse that will further define the curls for me. And, add back a nice healthy sheen to the hair. And then once we do that, we are good to go. And it's very important to cover the hair at night with a satin bonnet just to make sure that the curls, stay the way they should and not get easily tangled. Also, make sure that you refresh the hair and the curls if you must with a little bit of water every now and then if they look like they need a little bit of pep in their step. All right, so this is the finished look after the hair has somewhat been tamed. Again, if you prefer that big look, then you can go ahead and leave it as is. It would have less definition and have more of a natural curly look. Yeah, so this is it, guys. Let me show you guys what the front is looking like with a middle part. Yes, I kind of slightly cut the front to frame her face a little bit, but not too crazy. And yeah, that was today's look. I hope you like the hair. If you do, drop a comment down below. If you've ever heard about this brand of hair, yeah, just also comment and let me know if you tried it, if you've tried the river curls. If not the river curls, what curl pattern from the brand have you tried? Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, thanks for making it Natural Hair Dynamics. I do love and appreciate you guys, and stick and stay for my next video, which will be on Saturday. Big up, bless up, and much love. Peace.